Hello everyone, this is CtrlHD and welcome back to another video.
What are the possible ways to actually repair your corrupted laptop? So let's start, but before that, make sure to like, share and subscribe and comment down below about how you like this video. Without further ado, let's move in. So the first thing you should do is So that's all I had to say for today, guys. We show you a lot of features to, laptop back if you actually somehow just corrupted it, or maybe it's not working perfectly. So yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope it enjoyed it and it proved to be of help for you. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.